Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. Today, we're diving into a product that's been a cult favorite in the beauty world, Tarte Shape Tape Creamy Concealer. You've probably heard the buzz about this one, but is it really as good as everyone says? Let's break it down together. The Shape Tape line from Tarte has been a game changer in the concealer category, and today we're testing out the creamy version in shade 22N Light Neutral. This one's designed for all skin types, and the semi-matte finish promises a flawless look without being too dry or too oily. What sets it apart from other concealers on the market? First off, this concealer comes in a versatile cream form that's not too thick but not too thin. The semi-matte finish makes it ideal for anyone who wants a bit of hydration without the greasy feel. It's perfect for those of us who need coverage, but also want our skin to look fresh, not cakey. Plus, it claims to conceal everything from dark circles to blemishes while keeping skin moisturized. But does it actually deliver on that promise? I started using the Shape Tape Creamy Concealer as part of my daily makeup routine, applying it after foundation but before setting powder. The texture is smooth. Think a creamy gel consistency that blends effortlessly into the skin. The shade 22N Light Neutral is a great match for my light skin with a balance of both warm and cool undertones, which can sometimes be tricky to find in concealers. Upon application, the coverage is instantly impressive. It really does cover everything, from dark circles to redness, without requiring multiple layers. The real magic, however, is in how it feels. Unlike some other full coverage concealers that can feel heavy or dry, this one offers a more hydrating, comfortable wear that doesn't leave my skin feeling tight. It's like a moisture boost for your face. What's great is how it performs throughout the day. I tested it during my regular routine, which includes a mix of indoor and outdoor activities, and the concealer held up beautifully. No creasing, no settling into fine lines, and no midday touch-ups needed. I also wore it for a full evening out and didn't notice any fade. That's a huge plus for those long days when you don't want to worry about your makeup. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Shape Tape Creamy Concealer delivers on its promise of full coverage with a comfortable finish. It's also very versatile, working well for both under-eye circles and blemishes. The applicator is precise, making it easy to apply just the right amount. On the flip side, if you have extremely oily skin, you may want to set it with a powder to prevent any excess shine. While it's marketed as hydrating, it's not an ultra-moisturizing formula like some concealers designed specifically for dry skin. For those with dry patches or texture, a good primer would be your best friend here. As far as value goes, Tarte Shape Tape is on the pricier side of the drugstore to high-end scale, but it justifies the cost with its impressive performance. A little goes a long way. So the tube lasts quite a while. If you're someone who needs reliable, all-day coverage, I'd say the investment is worth it. In terms of alternatives, I've tried a few drugstore brands that come close in coverage, but few have the same hydrating feel and wear time. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer is a good, more affordable option, though it doesn't provide quite the same full coverage or staying power. So if you're willing to splurge a bit for something that'll last and work throughout the day, Shape Tape stands out. Packaging-wise, Tarte has nailed it. The tube is sleek, the applicator is a perfect size, and it's easy to use without too much mess. Plus, it's travel-friendly, which is always a plus when you're on the go. Would I recommend the Shape Tape Creamy Concealer? Absolutely. It's perfect for anyone who needs reliable, high-coverage concealing with a comfortable, hydrating finish. It's great for all skin types, especially if you're in need of a formula that won't settle into fine lines. If you're on the hunt for a concealer that truly does it all, Shape Tape is definitely worth considering. Now, before I wrap up, if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Beautyistic, and ring the bell so you never miss a review. It helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth looks at the best in beauty. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this concealer, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.